Simple and quick video here for you guys. So you're wanting to do a Facebook ad slash post lead qualification bot via Assistants API. Very easy to do. It's an extension of templates I took from Liam Ottely. I'll post that video in the description, although he just did it for Instagram and WhatsApp, not specifically Facebook. So I had a client approach me who wanted to do it on Facebook, the appointment setting bot, and I had to sort of do an extension of his template and modify a few things so it's specific for Facebook and create a new function to suggest a booking link to the lead. Now, before we get started, I'll show you what it looks like. Pretty simple. Okay, so your lead will come over to Facebook, they'll see an ad or they'll see a post, they'll comment on your post, sort of your lead generation, external lead generation tactic, whatever it may be. They'll comment or hit a link click on your post, and then it's going to send them a message, initiate dialogue, and book an appointment. Pretty simple. So for example, I'm a lead, I've come in, I posted or clicked an ad. For this example, I'm just responding to a comment on the post. Bang, automatically, bot comes up, initiates this first question. Now this has to be done in Facebook, I don't know why, but you need to do an opt-in button press here. So let's just run through the bot, see how it works. Hello, my name, thanks for stopping by our ad. Like I said, you can do this for a normal post or an ad, and I'll show you in a second. Just to make sure we're on the right page, you're in the fitness industry, correct? So in this case, I am working with an SMMA owner who wants to qualify fitness gyms, responding to his ads and whatnot, and then book them in for a Calendly link. Pretty simple. So that's why I'm using this fitness terminology. You'll see in my prompt that I will give you guys how it works and how you can change it. So yes, I'm doing this on desktop. This works on mobile as well. Yes, awesome. Look, Jonas, we're all about making things smooth and straightforward around here. Pinky promise. We've got some insights to share and a few questions to ensure we're aligned perfectly with what you're looking for. Ready to dive in? Yes. Now I'm just going to do some simple answers just so this quickly runs through, just so you can see how it operates. Yes. It's going to respond with a cool little typing animation. You can't do that in Instagram via ManyChat, by the way. Let's cut to the chase. I'm keen to get the rundown on your gym, blah, blah, blah. I'm a recovering performance gym. There's some delays I've added, so it's a bit more human-like. Spot on, recovery, blah, blah, blah. Now let's talk shop around your market strategy. Not being not being consistent, quality is not there. That's our marketing. This is just an example. Your lead will act different, obviously. Just to show you what the bot looks like consistently, blah, blah, blah. Now these are the qualifying questions it's asking. It's qualifying me by asking these questions. Now, my client only wanted a few quick questions just to see if they own a gym and their marketing strategies aren't work. It's going to suggest we jump on a quick call. Now, you can do these questions however you want it. This is just a quick and easy example. It's going to do, I'll go sure. Now it's going to go through the bot and it's going to use the tool to give you this Calendly link. We're going to click on the Calendly link and now your lead can book in a calendar appointment. Pretty easy. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is follow the links below. You'll get a ManyChat template. You'll get my Replit template along with the assistant function. So first and foremost, just open up this template that's in the link. You'll get a button to fork and run. That's what you'll do. It'll prompt you to put in a secret here. Now this is your OpenAI API key. You'll need this. So you'll head on to platform, OpenAI, create a new key. Create a new secret key. Copy this key, paste it in here, add secret. Now your OpenAI API is connected with this Replit. You'll come into Assistant, you'll see this JSON file. Now this is your Assistant ID. Now if you have an existing assistant, you'll paste the Assistant ID in here. If not, this one will generate one for you via the prompts here, which you'll have this, but you can edit as you need. And then it runs through a function, which is down here. This is the booking link. So when a user expresses intent to book an appointment or is qualified, this function will be enabled and it'll provide a booking link. So this is how we're qualifying the lead via conversation. Again, all you'll have to change in this function file and the main file is your booking URL. So you can use your Calendly link. We'll jump over to Calendly here, copy your link, put the booking URL in here, and in here, down here. So under this function, get booking availability, you'll put your URL in here. We can save that, Command S, it'll format up here. Come to your main, you don't really need to change anything in here. This is all pretty good. So once you have your API key in there and you put your booking links in, you'll hit run. This will launch like a web view page on the side here. We'll just boot up here. Okay, it's all running A-OK. Open this in a new tab. You'll see a new tab button up here. We're going to use this for our ManyChat API request. Doesn't matter if it says not found. You'll copy this link, all of this link, and now we'll head over to the ManyChat template to connect everything up. So in your ManyChat, this template, go ahead and edit it. Firstly, you can change for ads specifically or a comment on a post. This is for Facebook. The important thing here is these 4 things. Create thread, clear AI output, start run, check run. This is where we put our Replit link in. So you go in here, edit this, put your URL in here that we just copied, HTTPS, blah, blah, blah. Now it's important that you have this at the end. So it should be 2/ start firstly, hit save on that. Come over to here to start run. Again, doing the same thing with the same link from our Replit. Bang. Make sure it's / chat. This end bit's very important. I can't stress that enough. And finally, check run. Same thing. You don't have to worry about any of these header bodies or response parameters here. That's all set up, that's fine. Hit save on that, and now we have enabled ManyChat to call this piece of code from Replit and run that assistant. For this case, I am going to use an existing assistant that I have here. We'll use this one. If you're using an existing one, you'll just want to put the assistant ID in this assistant.json file and run that. Now everything's running. We'll update this ManyChat. That's live now. Make sure this is running. Now we can come over to Facebook and test it. Okay, so just a quick note while you're testing, it needs to be a new post. You can't comment twice and expect the bot to reply twice because it's already responded to you. So make sure if you're testing, just do a new post, and then you can have sort of a test on how the bot feels like. So go ahead and comment on that. There you go. Hello. There we go. Yes, opt in. There we go. Now the bot's working fine. You've seen the test at the front, and that's how you do a Facebook lead qualification bot.